If you've ever tried to risk exactly $100 on a trade and ended up eyeballing your position size instead, fixed risk fixes that. Set your max loss up front, and Bitunix calculates your exact position size automatically. Let's get started. Let's say you're watching BTC approach a key support level around 63,700, and you want to go long the moment it reaches. But you only want to risk 100 USDT on this trade, no more. First, right-click anywhere on the chart and select Fixed Risk. You'll also find it from the plus menu on the right side of the chart if you prefer that route. Now pick your order type. You've got Limit, Market, or Trigger Market. Since we're waiting for a breakout, we'll use Trigger Market. Set your entry price at 63,700, then type your risk amount into Max Risk, USDT, 100 in this case. Next, set your risk-reward ratio. There are 3 quick presets: 1:1, 1:2, 1:5, or click the pencil icon next to them to customize your own, up to a maximum of 1 to 9.9. Even if you try to set something higher, like 1 to 100, the system automatically caps it at 1 to 9.9. Let's go with 1 to 5. So for every dollar we risk, we're targeting 5 back. Once that's set, tap Buy View or Sell View, and Bitunix instantly calculates the position size that keeps your loss capped at exactly 100 USDT. No manual math, no guessing. You'll see your entry, take profit, and stop loss lines mapped right onto the chart. That's your whole trade, visualized, before you've risked a cent. Hover over the preview card, and a connecting line appears linking your order, take profit, and stop loss together. Handy when you've got several orders on the chart and need to know which TP and SL belong to which. Want to adjust your entry price? Just drag the order card up or down. The take profit and stop loss lines move with it, automatically keeping your risk-reward ratio locked in. You can also drag the take profit or stop loss line on its own if you only want to adjust one of them. Once everything lines up, hit buy or sell and your order's live. If you used Trigger Market, the position opens automatically once price hits your level. All risk parameters locked in from the start. Changed your mind? Just click the X on the right side of the order card to cancel it. Trading should be about managing risk with precision, not doing mental math under pressure. Click the link in the description below to try fixed risk on Bitunix right now. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video!